I'm out here on my back porch today, and I'm going to show you a fun science experiment that I do every year with my kids. Unfortunately, we can't be in the classroom to do this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and film it so you guys can be a part of it. Now, for this science experiment, nothing's gonna happen today. Today is just the setup, and then I'll have to do more videos in a few days to see what happens. So since you guys are learning about plants this week, I wanted to do a fun plant activity. So I went to the store and I bought some flowers. Now you can see I put the flowers in this vase with some clear water. Right when I got home, I didn't want them to dry out. But this is what it looked like when I bought them at the store today. So they came in these bouquets like this. Now you can see how tall they are. We're gonna put them in these cups right here. So I actually already took the bag off and I cut them and I got these ready. So these are gonna be the ones that we use today. Now, we all know that living things need water, and that includes plants, because plants are living things. So flowers need to have water in order to live. Now, the water is usually soaked up by the roots. You can see these don't have roots, but that's okay because that stem is like a straw, and that water goes straight up that stem to the flower. So we're okay not to have roots for this activity. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put food coloring in each of these cups, and we're gonna use these white flowers and put them in the cups. So I'm gonna ask you, what do you think is going to happen? Now remember, once I put the flowers in here, the stem is going to soak up the water and bring it to the flower. So I've got red food coloring here. I'm gonna do a few drops. I did 7 just for fun. So we've got red. And we also have blue. Okay. And we've got green. So that'll be our 3 colors: red, blue, and green. All right. So then I'm just gonna choose a few flowers to put in each of the cups. Now I have 2 different types of flowers here. I'm not sure what they're called, but I'll show them to you. Okay, so here's what one flower looks like, and I'll put this one in the green. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit with the stems here. Okay. And we'll put 2 more of that type of flower in the blue. And 2 more in the red. Okay, so what's going to happen is, in order for these flowers to stay alive, they're gonna need to drink this water. And when they drink the water, it's gonna go up through the stem to the flower. All of these flowers are white right now. What do you think is going to happen if we leave this colored water in here and let that colored water go up the stem? Do you think they're gonna stay white, or do you think they're gonna turn the color of the water? We're just gonna have to wait and see. Let's put the other kind of flower in there as well. And you can see these are a bit smaller. Now, each day I'm gonna water these depending on how much water they soak up. And when I water it, I'm gonna put more colored water in there. I'm not gonna put clear water. I'm gonna make sure that I put the colored water in there. All right, so we've got our white flowers in each of the cups, and I'm gonna watch them each day to see what happens. I'll probably wait maybe 2 or 3 days and do another video, and we will see if the flowers are still white. After a few days, 2 or 3, and I do that video, then I'll wait another few days and do another video. So I will keep track of them and let you guys in on it as well. Now, what I want you to do before you watch the next video to see what happens, I want you to make a prediction. That means a guess. I want you to guess what you think is going to happen to each cup of flowers. Have your mom email it to me,